If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2026 in PUBG, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are playing on Steam, right-click on PUBG in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if you are using Wi-Fi. A stable connection is crucial for online gaming. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can help fix any underlying issues that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error 2026 in PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance. Happy gaming!